Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learn Concepts. If you are watching this for the first time, please like and subscribe our channel to get new notifications whenever we upload a new video. In the previous tutorial, we have learnt about 8 strokes, and in this lecture, we will wrap up remaining strokes. So the next stroke is R and it is pronounced as Re. R is a slant line written from bottom to top as shown over here, and the next stroke is W. It is pronounced as V. It is a slant line with initial hook written in anti-clockwise direction. Sorry for the curve, as shown over here. Now the next stroke is Y, which is pronounced as A. It is also a stroke which is similar to V, except that the initial hook is written in clockwise direction as shown here. Now comes the next stroke, H up, which is pronounced as Hey. This stroke is known as H up since we are writing this stroke from bottom to top. It is also a slant line with initial clockwise circle. It is here we have a circle attached to a slant line as shown here. So it is called as H up. Now the next stroke is H down. It is also pronounced as Hey, except that it starts from top and ends at bottom. It has an initial hook at the top. So in general, the strokes in Pitman shorthand comprises of straight lines and curves. Till now we have completed all the straight strokes. Now let's get to curved strokes. I hope you can see this image clearly. First, please look at the first circle. If this circle is divided by a horizontal and vertical lines perpendicular to each other, we will get few strokes. They are R, Ish, G, F, V, L. R here is pronounced as R, unlike the stroke Re. R is a downward curve from left to right, and the next stroke is SH. It is pronounced as Ish. It is a thin downward curve from right to left, and the next stroke is ZH, which is pronounced as GE. The pronunciation of G must be stretched over here. It is a thick downward curve from right to left, similar to Ish, but it is written with a thick downward curve. The next stroke is F. It is a thin curve from left to right as shown here, and the next stroke is V. It is also similar to F, but it is written as a thick curve. Now the next curve is L. It is an upward curve from left to right, as you can see over here. Now we have completed all. Now let us consider the second circle. If this circle is divided by two perpendicular slant lines, then we will get remaining strokes. They are M, N, S, G, It, the, Ing. The first stroke is M. It is written from left to right there must be a slight curve over here. You can see from the figure. Cut it down this portion, then you are going to get M. And similarly, the exactly opposite stroke is N, as you can see from here. It is a stroke written from left to right with a slight curve. Now the next stroke is S. It is pronounced as S. It is written from top to bottom. See this area is known as S. Now comes the next consonant, G. It is a thick curve similar to S, except that it has to be written as a very thick curve from top to bottom. And the G over here is different from G over here. Here we stretched the sound, whereas here we simply call it as G. The next stroke is It. It is written from top to bottom in anti-clockwise direction, as it is shown over here. The next stroke is D. It is a thick curve in anti-clockwise direction. It is similar to it, but it is written as a thick curve. Now the last and final curve is Ing. It is written as NG but pronounced as Ing. Ing is written from left to right in anti-clockwise direction. So we have completed all the 26 strokes. Now let's look at two confusing strokes. They are Re and Che. Re is written from top to bottom. It approximately makes 30 degrees from bottom, whereas Che is written from top to bottom, but R is written from bottom to top and Che is written from top to bottom. It makes approximately 60 degrees with the bottom. So please practice all these strokes thoroughly. In the next lecture I will come up with vowels. Please like my lecture videos and subscribe to our channel to get new updates about the next lectures. Thanks for watching.